Hi. Today we're talking about focusing, the second of the four tasks of MI. And the question that captures the essence of this task is, where are we going? If you recall, engaging is the first task. It's where you can determine whether or not you can walk together. Can we walk together? Once you have that rapport, the person you're coaching is feeling welcomed, comfortable, and safe. You've explained what wellness coaching is and how it works, and they're feeling like they're in the right place. It's time to move into focusing. Where are we going? However, notice that this chart is not exactly linear. Sometimes from focusing, you may have to go back into engaging and vice versa. There's definitely fluidity amongst all of these tasks. Notice the we here. It's still an agreement between you and the person you're coaching, so you have some responsibility here. Your task at this point is to make sure that what you're offering is actually something that they want to talk about. So choosing a topic. What are we going to talk about? Healthy eating, physical activity, managing stress, quitting nicotine. Sometimes people want to work on all of these things at once. Focusing on one change at a time is ideal, but not everyone will want to go that route, and that's okay. But we can surely try to focus in on one area by asking questions like, which one of these rises to the top for you? Or, yeah, all of these things are feeling important to you right now. Some people like to start with what feels easiest. Others prefer to start with what feels like the most important. What are your thoughts? If they insist on getting your input, you can try something like, we know that quitting smoking is the number one thing people can do to protect their health. However, you know yourself best, and I want to support you in what actually feels doable for you right now. What do you think? So, wellness coaching is sometimes the first point of contact for people seeking mental health services. Or sometimes people may reach out for support with healthy eating or healthy weight, and they're experiencing an eating disorder that will require a different kind of support. So it's important to always meet people with empathy and help them to feel supported in their process of seeking help. However, we can't be everything to everyone, and it's actually unethical and potentially harmful to the member for us to attempt to provide support that is outside of our scope of practice. So part of that focusing and where are we going is the question of, am I in scope? So in our department, we use an eating disorder screening questionnaire to help determine whether or not wellness coaching is a good fit for support with healthy eating and healthy weight. We also follow a workflow and decision tree for mental health referrals. We can still use our empathic reflection skills to address mental health concerns when they come up, offer referrals with our ask, offer, ask format, and try to redirect the conversation to healthy habit changes if needed. And also if that's how the member would like to proceed. And people can veer off topic. So part of your role is to, remember the we and where are we going is to help the person you're coaching stay on topic. That's why they're spending time with you. It can feel hard for some of us to interrupt. Please try and reframe it in your mind that you are doing this person a service by helping them to stay focused. And I'm sure we've all experienced trying to coach the never-ending talker. If they are veering off topic, you need to be prepared to jump in and gently remind them of your shared focus. Sometimes, though, a person may be going on and on, but they're on topic and they're giving you tons of change talk. So in that situation, the pause and redirect may not be needed. Just be mindful of your time constraint and make sure that you're listening for all their great change talk so that you can summarize it for them with that beautiful change talk bouquet. Now that you've both focused in on a topic, You want to get some clarity around what it is they really want when it comes to this. You may have something in mind, but you want to make sure that the focus of this conversation moving forward is aligned with their vision. And this is where focusing starts to blend into evoking, our next of the 4 tasks. So this is where we start to ask questions like, what does healthy eating mean to you? Or what would it look like for you to be successful with this? Or even, if you could fast forward to 6 months from today, what healthy habits would you like to have become part of your routine? Now, this is not planning yet. We're not talking about how this is going to happen. We're just exploring the what. We're helping the member to get some clarity around what their future success will look and feel like. We're helping them to feel some excitement and to get that wind in their sails. And then from there, we can start to dig into their why. And that's what we'll be exploring next time in the evoking task. Have a wonderful week. Talk to you soon.